Are you wondering how you can increase your Milestone credit card limit? Don't worry because we got your back. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. To increase your Milestone credit card limit, the most relevant solution for now is to dial to your Milestone customer support. That is 1-800-305-0330. This will reach the Milestone customer service. You have to navigate the phone menu to reach a representative for account management. Make sure that you have your account details, that is the cardholder name and your account status, address, and also your last four digit of your credit card. Now, when the customer service asks for the detail, make sure to provide them correctly. Then instate your problem, that is to increase the credit limit. However, upon some of the research, unlike some of the credit card, Milestone Credit Card currently does not offer a program for requesting a credit limit increase. This information is confirmed not only on their website and through customer service representative as well. So sadly, we cannot do anything up on our end. However, in some day the policy might change and we might even receive a credit limit increase. And that's a wrap for this video as well. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.